Lavender powder is used in cosmetics, soap, and skincare. Lavender is a natural relaxant, can be used in facial mask formulas to provide aromatic rejuvenation and soothing of skin. The antimicrobial properties of lavender are also useful, as they limit the growth of odor-producing bacteria. It is used because it has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, toning, and healing properties. Lavender powder works to treat acne, eczema, psoriasis, and oily skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make night cream for skin whitening and brightening. For this DIY, you will need 1 tablespoon of lavender powder and 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it well and your night cream is ready. Apply daily all over your face and notice a big difference in 1 month. You can store this DIY 2 to 3 weeks in refrigerator. Soothes skin conditions like eczema. Heals irritated and itchy skin. Free radicals are partly responsible for fine lines and wrinkles on the face. Lavender powder is packed with antioxidants that reverse damage due to free radicals, restore natural glow, and minimize appearance of signs of aging.